Hi guys, Mariah from Mariah Magazine here, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite tools on figuring out the domain authority of a website. Okay, so a few things. Why is this information important? So doing a quick scan of your website will help you get an overview of your backlinks and your domain authority. So you're probably wondering, like, why do I have to do this and why is this important? Okay, so it can, number one, it can give you an idea of what websites are linking back to you and why they're linking back to you. Number two, it can help you find any bad links or errors that are hurting your website, like if like a spammy website is linking back to you or something like that. It'll also let you compare your website authority with your competitors to see how you're matching up with your domain authority and their domain authority. And it will let you investigate where your competitors are getting their high quality backlinks from, so you can actually like fine tune your own backlink strategy. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to use the tool to go ahead and figure out where your numbers are. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is obviously open up the tool. So you can either go to Google and type in Open Site Explorer, or just go to www.moz.com/research tools/OSE. OSE stands for Open Site Explorer, and that's the tool that we're going to be using today. Okay, so right in this box right here, you're going to want to type in the domain that you're looking for into the search bar. So, for example, we'll do by Regina because her information is basically amazing and I love her. So we will take a look at her domain authority. So go ahead and type in the URL right in here and click search. Okay, so once Open Site Explorer is done analyzing that URL, it's going to pull up a super quick report for you. So at the top, it's going to show you your domain authority and your page authority. Okay, so domain authority predicts the entire domain's ranking potential in search engines. And page authority predicts how well an individual page will rank in search engine results. So, for example, my About page could have a different page authority number than my contact page, but they'll have the same domain authority number because they're both from the same domain name. So like by Regina/about, if we went ahead and searched that one, it might have a different page authority number, but it'll still have the same domain authority number because it's coming from this main domain name right here. Below the authority numbers, you see a spam score right here, and obviously nobody wants their website to, be considered spammy, so the lower the number, the better on this one. It's just a general spam indicator for a website, so if Google flags a website as spam, or if the website has a spam indicator, that information will be reflected in this score. Like a small number like this really isn't, make or break or anything like that. But if you're having like a 16 out of 17 or a 17 out of 17, you definitely have to do some research on why that's happening. And on the right side over here, it'll give you, just like a quick rundown of the link metrics of your website, which is basically just like the types of links that this analyzer found when they were running your URL. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see this box, inbound links, and it's going to have, a list of all of the inbound links that it found while running your website. Okay, so basically right over here, this is the page that is linking to your website. So it'll pull up the title of that page and the URL of that page. And then it'll have the link anchor text right here, which is, so on this page right here, if we were to go ahead and click on this, we would find the text, Regina's name. And then if you clicked on Regina's name, it would be using this link to take you to her website, which is basically called like link anchor text right here. And then right next to that is the spam score, which we talked about. So that's the spam score of this website here. So fastcompany.com, their spam score is a 1. And then it shows you fastcompany.com's page authority and domain authority, which is what we talked about right up here. The same things apply for that. So it's just giving you a rundown of basically that linking page. So why is this information super helpful? Well, let's say that me and Regina both write a blog post about the same subject, but in search results, her blog post is ranking ahead of mine. I'm gonna wanna know why. So by using Open Site Explorer, you can totally run your URL and Regina's URL and compare those domain authority numbers that we talked about. So if her domain authority is like 47 out of 100 and mine is 15 out of 100, I know that that's one contributing factor to her blog post ranking before mine in search results. So not only can you see a website's overall influence, but you can see a brief list of the authoritative backlinks that are helping influence that website's domain authority. So that's like, a little gist of a way that you can get some insight on either your own website or a competitor's website, and then try to figure out what domain authorities are linking to them, and then come up with maybe like a guest posting strategy or a collaboration strategy to try to get one of these high authority websites to go ahead and link to you so that you can get the power from their domain authority. I'm not going to lie, this tool can be super addicting, especially if you're serious about upping your search engine results and your SEO score. The one thing about Open Site Explorer is the free version, which is this one right here. You're limited to 3 domain searches a day. So you can only search 3 different URLs a day. If you wanted to buy the pro version, you have like free range for basically everything, and it gives you a ton more information and insights on your competitors or links, and how Google sees your website. So that's about it for using this tool. If you need more information on Open Site Explorer, go ahead and check out my blog post linked below, and it'll give you a little bit of info on how Google scores the authority of your website. The blog post will also catch you up on why backlinks are so important to your actual SEO strategy. So if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking for new ways to improve your website and your online presence, subscribe to my channel.